When I pick up my Canon camera, my energy immediately shoots up. That's because I know I'm going to sit down, I'm going to make myself into a piece of art, and it's going to be a good day. I'm an avant garde makeup artist, and what that means is I tell stories of my life and I match that with makeup. The EOS M50 Mark II Content Creator Kit makes it so easy for me to do my job for both my portraiture and my videos. It's very compact and it makes it very easy for me to vlog.
And this is the final look, everybody. We have a little bit of East meets West.
I just love using it for the versatility, and it really helps me put out my work in the best light possible. I want to transform the world in front of me into one that is full of joy and creativity.